The STOPOUT Disposable Padlock Seal is a cost-saving, one-time use solution for lockout-tagout. Better than regular zip ties, the disposable padlock seal is stop sign red and has a label for identifying who locked it out or why. This gives workers additional incentive to further investigate the reason something is locked out before destroying the seal. It combines the features of a security seal and traditional padlock for single use, eliminating the hassle of misplaced locks or keys. Super lightweight and cost-effective, the disposable padlock seal is the perfect solution for quick, on-the-go lockouts. AccuForm Signs. We make products that inform, protect, and motivate the global workforce.